Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be discussing how to password protect a Word document file in Windows 10. If you want to keep your sensitive information secure, this is a crucial step. Let's jump right into the process. Step 1. Open your document file and click on the File tab. From there, select the Info option. Now, expand the Protect Document menu and choose the option to encrypt with password. Step 2. A dialog box will appear, prompting you to enter a password to encrypt the contents of your document file. Choose a strong and secure password, then click on the OK button. Step 3. To ensure there are no typos or mistakes, you'll be asked to reconfirm your password. Enter the same password again and click OK. That's it. Your Word document file is now password protected. This extra layer of security will help prevent unauthorized access and keep your information safe. Remember to choose a password that is unique and not easily guessable. It's also a good practice to regularly change your passwords to maintain the highest level of security. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.